It's gone away.
Bad boy, bad boy.
Open the door.
Bad boy, mine is put this. Get away. See, yes.
He's a faker.
He's dumb.
Tell him what happened to you.
Natalie got ran over.
By a reindeer.
Oh shit.
Natalie, get up. Are you okay? Tell Martha what happened to you. Tell Martha to help you.
Say something.
She say sorry, Martha.
What did she do? We trying to stop the truck?
Yeah, she don't like it moving. And
Natalie, go tell Martha what happened.
Come here, what happened?
It's trucks.
Was your leg okay? Is your leg okay?
I'm tired.
Tell him stop. Sit down.
Then, no, Mike. And then, no.
Okay, no more. Oh, you hit David.
Stay with Dylan.
Stay with David.
do it, David. Do it. Move it.
Come here, what happened?
Say no, Mike. Did it. No, Mike.
Tell Nelly it's not funny.
It's not funny than mine. It's broken. You need no way. And there was one patrol getting, and there was the running.
Here, give it here. I won't do it.
No, it's not yours. It's in my head.
Oh, okay. Here, I'll hide it.
And then you push it, okay?
Okay. Oh no, I don't know how to control it.
That's it. I got
Natalie
you.
stops it quick. she beats
You
it.
suck. You suck.
Déjalo ir.
I said, no. But we're there for a bit. So, hold you. There's no much. Bad boy cars.
She said bad boy car.
Go. Hey, Natalie. Hey, Natalie.
You never pay. Bad boy.
Grandma!
Say, not my fault.
Okay, I'm not controlling it.
She walks away.
What happened, Natalie?
Cause it's my foot.
Car hit your foot?
Hi, cause it's in my foot. If you want to be go down here, because they were down one.
I have no clue what you just said.
She knocked the battery out of it. It's dead.
It's torching.